Hello friends! So we're gonna make fish! So let's get started! So as I said, we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So we're gonna make different objects using these molds from Polinda. Great tools for schools and home modeling projects. It's safe and non-toxic. It has 10 pieces of molds inside. So let's check it out. Let's open the pack and take this out. Wow, it's interesting. So here are the molds. And let's check them out one at a time, what they look like. Well, this is a palm. Smaller, but yes. This one is a duck. This is a dog. This is an aircraft. This is a foot. This one is a leaf. This is a school bus. This is a butterfly. And this is a cat. Kitty, kitty, kitty. And this one is a fish. And we have different colors of clay. This is yellow. Then we have sky blue. Then we have red, gray, black, light green, dark green, white, brown, and beige. Now we have these colors of clay and these options of the molds. So we're gonna pick the option fish. And I'm gonna pick the sky blue color clay. Let's take the rolling pin and start to spread the clay like this. And the other side now. We're gonna roll the rolling pin with our palms like this and spread the clay smoothly. We can use a smaller knife to remove the clay. We will roll it on the other side to make it broader. Now the clay is completely flattened. We're gonna pick the mold of the fish and place it on the clay. And then we're gonna press it firmly into the clay like this. Then we're gonna remove the extra clay. Like this. Let's remove the mold. Carve out the extra clay to make it neat and clean. Scrape the clay like this. So now we're gonna decorate the fish. Let's take some white clay and roll it on the table counter like this. Make sure it's thin. You can roll it with your finger. And let's place it here. Alright, roll some more white clay now. Just like the previous one. Another strip. And put it right here. And some more. Which we're gonna put across the two like this. You can cut out the extra clay with a knife. That's the eye. Let's carve the scale of the fish using the small knife. Like this. Starting from the tail of the fish. Now the fin. And the other fin. So now we're gonna carve the scales on the body of the fish with the help of the back of the small knife. Hold the knife like this. The back part of the knife should be pressed on the clay like this, making an impression which looks like the scale. So within making the scales, we've also put an eye to the fish. Now let's make another fin. Now take some white clay, roll it in your palms, and press it with the thumb. It got stuck, so let's make it again. Let's roll it again between the palms and press it gently so that it doesn't get stuck on the tabletop. With the help of the smaller knife, let's cut out the shape of the fin like this. So let's place the fin here. This is another kind of fin for the fish. Like this one, this is another one. Let's make the scale on this fin too. Alright. So our fish is ready! Yay!